Hello and welcome. In last video we learned how to package our projects in a really easy way. It was platforms, select the correct platform and package the project. We also set up some packaging settings, so this map is the one that will be used. But let's say that we have more settings that we want to change, and we want to quickly package development builds and shipping builds. It could be a hassle to be changing these settings in the project settings every time we want to change, for example, from a development build to a shipping build. To avoid this manual labor, the convenient way to package project is using the project launcher. Here in the project launcher, uh, this would be like launching an standalone here. No, here, play standalone. But we can have custom launch profiles. Here we can add a custom profile. We can name it dev build. Enter a description here. We can bind it to a specific project. Usually is any project if you want to use the same configuration for other projects. Here is the development build. We have more advanced settings if we want to build the Unreal automation tool also. Development, debug game, development, shipping. You can find the difference in the documentation. Basically, the shipping build strips a lot of the console functionality. And by console, I don't mean like the platforms, like I don't know, PlayStation. No, I mean these console commands that are really useful when debugging and testing development builds. So shipping strips out some of that functionality. So here, if this is the dev build, development is fine. Cook settings usually is by the book. Could also be on the fly, but if you don't want to package it, I do want to package it, so let's package and store it locally. Let's select my, this folder is fine. Let me change this to cool easy package. So whenever you have to be sure that whenever you start packaging a project, there isn't another folder called the same, because it will overwrite some files. Let's select the folder. I want the builds folder. Select. You can set it up for distribution to public, and we have a lot of settings here. Deploy it. I don't want to deploy it. I just want an executable. And launch, we can't launch it if we don't deploy it, right? In Cook, we can go by the book, and whenever we select by the book, we can select the Cook platforms, Windows Editor. Well, only Windows is fine. The Cook cultures, if you are packaging your game for more than one culture, by default is in English, or well, which well, I don't know. I'm not sure if my editor is in another language. It auto selects anything else, but you can try. And also, it lets you select which maps we want to cook. For example, I don't need the minimal default, the starter content. I only need this map, the third person example map. So let's choose it. More options to release versions of the game or patches, and advanced settings to compress more content and maybe store everything in a single Unreal pack. So now that we have all these settings set up, if we want to use this launch profile, we just click launch this profile, and we can delete it, rename it, and also we can add another one with almost the same settings, but in this case it will be a shipping build. So let's call it ship. Yep. And let's pretend I did all the setup that I did previously. And you just need to... Oh, well, it requires that I do all the setup that I did. But if we launch the project, we have this nifty menu that it's telling us the exact same thing that the output log was telling us before. If I open the output log, it should be in Windows output log. It should show the same messages. Well, mostly the same because these are like a little more specific. So we don't need to have it in two places. And there it is. It's already finished. We can run it again. Build successful. We can find any error if there was, but I'm not seeing any. And if we go to our build folder, here it is, Windows, we can execute it, and it's the same as before. So yes, this would be a more convenient way to launch your project. You have more access to more settings, and you can have different profiles. So building projects and packaging them won't be a hassle. Hope this was useful, and see you next video.